Step into a realm where time stands still and ice breathes life into the landscape. Prepare to be awestruck by nature's frozen masterpiece. Where the earth meets the frozen deep, nature carves its masterpiece. A land sculpted by ice and time, standing eternal against the relentless tides. Vast icy landscapes stretch out in a symphony of blue and white, where sharp towering cliffs rise like silent sentinels. Frozen fjords snake through the land, their icy veins glistening under the twilight sky. Here, glaciers creep towards the ocean, their ancient icy fingers reaching for the sea. Each creak and groan of the ice tells a tale centuries in the making, a testament to the unyielding power of nature. Under a canopy of twilight blue, the frozen world glows with an ethereal light. Stars shimmer like frozen tears, illuminating the majesty below. This is a land where silence speaks volumes, where the sheer beauty of nature's grandeur leaves you breathless. It's a reminder of the fragile yet formidable force of our planet, a call to cherish and protect these icy wonders. Join us on this cinematic journey, where every frozen breath of wind and every glint of ice tells the story of Earth's frozen hearts. Experience the awe, the majesty, the timeless beauty of the epic frozen landscapes. Zitira,